The world of business as we know it continues to change. What worked yesterday frankly won't work today without streamlining and developing solid customer and stakeholder-centric systems as well as accountabilities that drive profitability and business growth. Did you know that an average company spends 36 to 48% of their revenue on their people costs? Furthermore, did you know most businesses wing it when it comes to hiring, developing, and retaining their mission-critical, key contributor, and next-level leaders? What companies with strong values and strong growth plans often painfully uncover is that the right systems housing the wrong people always fail, and that the wrong systems housing the right people often fail. Many companies continuously struggle until they come to understand the power of internal workforce planning, organizational development, employee selection, and effective talent management. When interviewed, Bill Gates stated that building Microsoft was not about the products they created. It was always about the talent and brain power of the people who built Microsoft's global dominating products. He puts the right people in the company, has them do the right things, and then he gets out of their way. Today, Microsoft has one of the most robust talent acquisition and management and retention programs on the planet. With Keen Hire, you learn keen methods to evaluate and assess the power of your existing talent. You learn to look at what's missing, the presence of which would make a difference. You refine your hiring practices and your onboarding processes. All of this impacts your customer and stakeholder engagement, your customer retention, and most of all, your bottom line.